Hello and welcome to this session, Learning Outcome LO2. Understand the principal contents of a contract. Today we will learn that contracts form the backbone of business agreements. They set out the terms, conditions, and obligations of the parties involved. A clear understanding of these principles is essential to ensure that contracts are valid, enforceable, and effectively protect the interests of all parties. A representation is a statement made to induce contract entry. It does not form part of the contract terms. Misrepresentation can lead to claims but not contract breach. A term, however, is a binding provision. Breach of a term results in legal remedies. Express terms are clearly stated in contracts. They define the rights and obligations of the parties. These terms can be written or verbal. Incorporation methods include signed documents and notice. Courts uphold express terms when properly incorporated. Implied terms are not explicitly stated. They are included by law, custom, or necessity. These terms reflect the presumed intentions of the parties. Courts imply terms to ensure contract efficacy. Examples include workplace safety and employment contracts. Conditions are fundamental to contracts. Breach allows the injured party to terminate the contract. They go to the root of the agreement. An example is the failure to deliver goods. Conditions ensure the contract's main purpose is fulfilled. Warranties are secondary terms in contracts. Breach does not allow contract termination. The injured party can claim damages. An example is a minor delay in delivery. Warranties do not affect the contract's core purpose. Innominate terms vary based on breach severity. They can be conditions or warranties. Courts assess the breach's impact. A severe breach allows termination. Minor breaches only permit damages. Consideration is the value exchanged in contracts. It makes contracts binding. Both parties must provide consideration. It need not be adequate, but must be present. Consideration is essential for contract enforceability. Performance fulfills contractual obligations. Complete performance discharges obligations. Substantial performance meets main contract requirements. Parties must fulfill terms to avoid breach. Performance ensures contract execution. Termination clauses specify contract ending. Reasons include breach, mutual agreement, or frustration. They outline how and when parties can terminate. Termination clauses provide clarity. They protect parties from unforeseen issues. Dispute resolution methods resolve conflicts. Options include mediation and arbitration. These methods offer alternatives to court. They promote negotiation and binding decisions. Dispute resolution is crucial for contract enforcement. Governing law dictates contract interpretation. It is the legal system applied to the contract. Parties choose the governing law in agreements. This choice affects contract enforceability. Governing law provides legal framework consistency. Exclusion clauses limit liability in contracts. They must be clearly incorporated. Courts scrutinize their fairness. Statutory laws regulate exclusion clauses. These provisions protect parties from unfair liability. Limitation clauses cap liability amounts. They are often seen as more reasonable. These clauses must be clear and fair. Statutory controls apply to limitation clauses. They help manage contractual risks. Statutory laws govern contract terms. They ensure fairness and compliance. Key laws include UCTA and CRA. These laws protect parties from unfair terms. Statutory governance is crucial for contract integrity. The UCTA regulates exclusion clauses. It applies to business contracts. The Act prohibits exclusion for personal injury. It imposes a reasonableness test. UCTA ensures fairness in contractual terms. The CRA governs consumer contracts. It replaces older laws like the Sale of Goods Act. CRA requires fairness and transparency. It prohibits unfair terms in consumer contracts. The Act protects consumer rights. Statutory express terms are incorporated by law. They ensure contract fairness and compliance. Key statutes include UCTA and CRA. These terms regulate exclusion clauses. Statutory express terms protect parties in contracts. Common law implies terms into contracts. They reflect presumed intentions or ensure fairness. Implied terms fill gaps in contracts. Courts apply tests like business efficacy. Common law terms protect contractual integrity. Terms are incorporated by various methods. These include express agreement and notice. Conduct and reference also incorporate terms. Each method has legal requirements. Proper incorporation ensures enforceability. Exclusion clauses' validity depends on incorporation. They must comply with statutory and common law. Fairness is a key consideration. UCTA and CRA regulate these clauses. Validity ensures balanced contractual risk. In conclusion, a thorough understanding of contract terms is essential to ensure their enforceability. Terms delineate the rights, obligations, and remedies of the parties involved, while courts and statutory frameworks regulate these terms to uphold fairness. Proper incorporation of terms is crucial for a contract's validity, and overall, the stability and effectiveness of contractual relationships depend on clear and equitable terms. If you need any help, please reach out via WhatsApp at 074843616888. Our team is ready to assist you. Thank you and see you next time.